Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting review of the 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, a car that's bringing back all the classic American muscle vibes but with a modern twist. Let's not waste any time
and get right into it. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Monte Carlo SS demands attention the second you see it. Chevrolet has clearly put a lot of thought into the design, blending aggressive styling with a touch of retro charm. The front fascia is bold with a large blacked-out grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular hood that hints at the power underneath. The sculpted sides carry that traditional coupe silhouette, but now it's sleeker and more aerodynamic. Moving to the rear, the SS badge sits proudly between stunning LED taillights, and the quad exhaust tips remind you this car means business. Riding on 20-inch performance wheels, the Monte Carlo SS looks ready to attack the road or just turn heads at every corner. Inside the 2026 Monte Carlo SS, Chevrolet keeps things sporty yet surprisingly refined. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a flat-bottom steering wheel, leather sport seats, and just the right amount of tech. You get a fully digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen that's easy to use and lightning fast. The interior feels premium with soft-touch materials and contrast stitching that elevates the cabin's vibe. Space in the race. Back is a bit tight, pretty much what you'd expect from a two-door muscle car, but it's perfect for short trips or tossing in your gear. Overall, the interior nails the balance between comfort, tech, and performance-oriented design without going overboard. When it comes to price, the 2026 Monte Carlo SS starts at around $47,000 for the base model. Fully loaded versions with performance upgrades and luxury add-ons can push the price closer to $60,000. For what you're getting, aggressive looks, serious performance, and a ton of modern tech, the Monte Carlo SS is competitively priced against rivals like the Dodge Challenger and Ford Mustang GT. Plus, Chevrolet offers a few different trim packages so you can customize the Monte Carlo to fit your budget and style preferences. Now, let's talk performance, because that's where the Monte Carlo SS really shines. Under the hood, you get a 6.2-liter V8 engine pumping out an impressive 470 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, giving drivers the freedom to choose how they want to experience the ride. The SS rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 4 seconds flat, making it one of the quickest in its class. Handling is tight and responsive thanks to a tuned suspension, and Brembo brakes provide strong, confident stopping power. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving up back roads, the Monte Carlo SS delivers a thrilling, planted drive that's both modern and nostalgic at the same time. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car reviews, and drop a comment below letting me know what you think of the new Monte Carlo SS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.